customized GUI application, or a simple game. If you are a professional software developer, you may have to work with several C, C++, Java libraries but find the usual write, compile, test, recompile cycle is too slow. Perhaps you are writing a test suite for such a library and find writing the testing code a tedious task. Or maybe you've written a program that could use an extension language, and you don't want to design and implement a whole new language for your application. Python is just the language for you. You could write a Unix shell script or Windows batch files for some of these tasks, but shell scripts are best at moving around files and changing text data, not well suited for applications or games. You could write a C, C++, Java program, but it can take a lot of development time to get even a first draft program. Python is simpler to use, available on Windows, macOS, and Unix operating systems, and will help you get the job done more quickly. Python is simple to use, but it is a real programming language, offering much more structure and support for large programs than shell scripts or batch files can offer. On the other hand, Python also offers much more error checking than C, and, being a very high-level language, it has high-level data types built in, such as flexible arrays and dictionaries. Because of its more general data types, Python is applicable to a much larger problem domain than awk or even Perl, yet many things are at least as easy in Python as in those languages. Python allows you to split your program into modules that can be reused in other Python programs. It comes with a large collection of standard modules that you can use as the basis of your programs, or as examples to start learning to program. Some of these modules provide things like file I/O, system calls, sockets, and even interfaces to graphical user interface toolkits like TK. Python is an interpreted language, which will give you considerable time during program development because no compilation and linking is necessary. The interpreter can burst interactively, which makes it easy to experiment with features of the language, to write throwaway programs, or to test functions during bottom-up program development. It is also a handy desk calculator. Python enables programs to be written compactly and readably. Programs written in Python are typically much shorter than equivalent C, C++, or Java programs, for several reasons. The high-level data types allow you to express complex operations in a single statement. Statement grouping is done by indentation instead of beginning and ending brackets. No variable or argument declarations are necessary.